Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and this is my drinking glass from raze. I'm so excited about these drinking glasses because of not only how beautiful they are, but also because of how versatile they are. They are perfect for any beverage, either if it's hot or cold. I can use this cup in the morning for my coffee. I even use it throughout the day for water, or if I'm going to be drinking tea, or even an alcoholic beverage. This is the perfect glass. And I mean, what can be better than a glass that's perfect for any beverage? That's why I love using these cups from raze. Another great thing about this cup is the size. It holds up to 16 ounces of water, which is almost equivalent to an entire water bottle. I really appreciate how well the cup is made. Up close, you can see how modern it looks. The base is very heavy, so in case you were to accidentally knock into it, it's not going to fall over easily. The little curve at the top goes perfect with your lips, that way you can enjoy your beverage. I've washed this cup and also put it in my dishwasher, and it has not broken. These cups are so sturdy. So definitely enjoy your beverage and impress your friends with these elegant and modern drinking glasses from raze. That's my point of view.